Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys all the common spots for the flamethrower emojis on Dress to Impress. So I am going to go back and forth between my notes. The first one is, well, it could be here next to this dress. So it could be here. Then the second one could be next to this area, like next to the desk here. It could also be like here on the shelves. Then it could also be in the top shelf of the shoe section here. And then it could be in one of the dressing rooms next to the salon. I think it could be like in the third booth. Then it could also be to the left of the male and female body, so it could be like here. Could also be behind the jeans wall. Where is it? Where is the... Oh, here. Like behind the window, like here. And then it could also be at the top shelf of the neck scarf section, so like right about here. And then it could also be like on the ceiling, like here, over here, I think. Like over there. And then it could also be on the ceiling, like, or wall above the scarf section. So like, where would that be? I'm like trying to look. Just like up here, I guess. Like here or here. I think it is on like this area-ish. On this one. On the right side, I'm pointing right now, but you need to look at this view. Then I will show you the rest. So the rest is in the lobby. So I do have to get out of this game first, and then I'll show it to you guys. There also could be one in the runway, but there's only one in the runway. So make sure you play on the regular like server. But here I'll just show it to you guys like in the lobby. So let's go to regular mode so I can go to the lobby section. So it could be, let me turn on fast walk real quick. It could be like here on the like pillar near the obby. Like as you can see, the obby's here. So it could be like here or here. It could be here in the obby, which is where I have the emoji. Where else could it be? It could be on the green screen thing in the lobby. Where is it? Hold on. Oh, here it is. It could be here. Then again, it could be on the like pillars. So kind of just look around for it on the like pillars. Oh, like here. There is one right there. There could be one on the like table. And there could be one like on the like pillars as well of this like of this one. Like the wider pillars, it could be on there. I think it's on this one or on this one. And yeah, that is it. I think that's where all the common spots for the emoji would be. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. It could also be here, by the way. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.